Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this GIF in Canva today for free, so stay tuned. Go to canva.com and this is the free version and this is what it looks like. We're ready to create a design, so click on create a design right here and then an Instagram post, that's a square one. And then we're going to first of all look for our cat. Click on elements over here in the left menu bar. I'm going to type Halloween cat free. If this element has a crown on it, that means it's pro. You do have to pay for those. But we can get some free ones as well. So if I click on graphics right here, then this is the cat we're going to use. So I'll click on that. It will put that into my window. I'll resize it down, move it to the middle. Then I'll add some text that will say spooky season. So over here on the left again, we'll click text and then add a heading. And using this four-pointed arrow, I can click and drag it up so it's above the cat. Select it all and type spooky. Then we're going to change both the font and the color. So first of all, this is the font drop-down arrow. Click on that and we'll look for a font called Butcherman. So in the search window, type Butcherman. Click on that and that will change it to kind of a spooky font. I can resize it by clicking on one of these corner handles and dragging. And then click away from it and then you can click back on it and move it. I'm also going to change the color to that gold color. To do that, I'll need to select all the text. This is the text color. Drop down, click on that. These are our photo colors and I'm going to choose this gold. And then I'm also going to add a border on it. So up here on the top menu, click on Effects, choose Outline, and then where the color is shown, this is a brown color, we're going to change that to black. So I'll click on that, drag down, and then choose black. We'll be making another word called season, and it will be just the same format as spooky. So if I click on this and press Control-C, or hold my Control key down and press C, then click on the bottom part and press Control-V. And I can move that down, select it all, and type season. And that will be the same format and font as spooky. Then if I click on spooky, you can see this little turning arrows. If you click on that, you can rotate it. And again, click on the middle and drag it. Drag a sizing handle to make it the size you want. Do the same thing with season. We get it positioned about the way we want. Now we'll add an animation. We already have season selected, so click up on the menu bar and choose animate. You can choose whatever animation you want. I like the typewriter effect, so I'll go down there and click on that. Then I'll click on spooky and apply the same one. We'll animate the cat a little bit differently, so click on the cat and then in the middle, hold your mouse button down and drag it up to the upper left-hand corner. On the animate window, we'll go up to the top and we'll choose this create an animation. I'll click on that. What you're going to do is just click on the cat and drag it around until it's where you want it to be. By default, an MP4 or a movie or a GIF is going to be 5 seconds long, as you can see there. I want to make it a little bit shorter, so I'm just going to click in my window here and then I'll get this edit timer button. Click on that, change it to 3 and enter. Now if we click on our play button here, you can see what it's going to look like. That looks pretty good. I like it. So I'll close that and we're just ready to download it. So click on the share button in the upper right hand corner. We're going to download. And instead of an MP4, we'll choose GIF. So click on that drop down arrow, go down, choose GIF. And so just click on download. And there you go, it's going to download it and we're all done. I think it looks great. I hope you like it too. Thanks for watching.